So sorry for that. So let me repeat once again. From your problem statement, you can extract your research problem or research questions, which can show you that either it is qualitative or it is quantitative. This is what you can make sure from your problem statement or a research statement, right? So you clear about it? Anyone who have a question, just let me once again, how to know from a problem statement that it is qualitative or quantitative, right? So actually you are extracting the questions from the problem statement, which makes sure you did either it is quantitative or qualitative. Yes. What is the question? What is the question, please?
I'm saying that if I want to resubmit my assignment because I had submitted it because and I want to make changes in it. So can I resubmit it?
Okay, but make sure everyone write the project title in the subject. Okay, everyone must write while you're submitting your assignment. You must write the title of your project in the subject. Okay, and you can write the name in the report is okay, but the subject should be your project title, assignment title that you are submitting to me. Okay. Any other question?
Yes, sir. One more question, sir. As you said that you can take quantities of like you have said that, in quantitative or qualitative, if you want to write, you can take data or quantities from net as well, and you can just uh, 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 write the that there is a copy name. Sir, can we take pictures from there and mention that we have taken from there?
If you take the pictures, then you have to cite that research paper. If it is a website, then you need to give the link in the references. That's it. Then you can use it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You know, it means you acknowledge the image what from where you taken. Then it is not a plagiarism. Plagiarism is when you copy the image and you does not acknowledge the work of that authors. Then it is a plagiarism. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other query?
No, sir.
Okay, but you are using SPSS or Origin Pro, or you are using Microsoft Excel for making the graphs, chart in something or table, right? You are not copying it for your own hypothesis or for own your result analysis, but you can copy it for comparison, but you should also draw your own by using your own data analysis, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, anyone else who have any other question? Any other queries for today? So I will wind up the lectures then if there is no any more query, right? So once again, I will just say that today we discuss about qualitative and quantitative research, right? We discuss about the 6 steps that required for qualitative and qualitative research, and we briefly discuss about the collection of data, that how we can do the how we can collect the data. We say that there is a standard data sets for either it is quantitative or it is qualitative. It is available on the internet. You have to Google the keywords for that data sets, and from any university you can download that data set. For example, there is a 3D phase data set that is available on the National University of the Singapore. If you are talking about videos, that is available on the University of Hong Kong. But if you are talking about the ICE dataset, it is available on the website of the Polytechnical University of Hong Kong. And there is a lot of others. If you discuss talking about the dataset for photometric stereo or images, you can find out on the any other university, right? So if you are going for the COVID-19 data sets, maybe you can find out on the Oxford University or any other, or Beijing University, any other university website, you can find out the data sets, right? So once again, that the data set is very important for the analysis. In that data set, you must be acknowledge in your report from where you get that information, right? That is very, very important for doing the analysis, and you are comparing your results with the previously existing methods, that how it is be different, right? That's what we normally do in the results and analysis, or in the qualitative and a quantitative research. There was a one question, that how we know from the problem statement that it is qualitative or it is quantitative, right? So from the research problem or a problem statement, you are making the question or hypothesis on the basis of you are conducting the experiment. So that experiment, what kind of you make, either you want to go for qualitative or you want to go for quantitative, you can get make clear from there, right? That's what we normally do from the research problem or a problem statement, which is based on the your hypothesis question, and that hypothesis can make sure you either it is the independent variables or the dependent variables, that how can make you to go for the qualitative or it is go for quantitative, right? So this what was we actually see in the today class. So once again for the assignment, so we are making, we said that you can add, you are using SPSS or Origin Pro for making the graph in the assignment. For your own results, you are downloading the dataset from the internet, for which you want me to extend the deadline for the assignment, that I will extend it until the before then, before the next class you can submit me the final assignment, and after that it will be not extending anymore. Once again I tell you in the class. So we almost done with the we almost done with the basics of the research. Then we will next go for a different topic, that how we can go ahead in the research methodologies, right? We will study about the different methods for it. So if there is any other questions, let me know, and after that we will be that would be the end of our lectures, right? So today I will upload the link on YouTube, that everyone can easily access from here to see the recording. So it will be better. I try to upload in the group, but as the data is too much, like it's like more than 1.5 lectures, so there is a problem of the data sending by an email. So I will do that and I will share it, right? So have a look here once again. Yes, Asid, what is the question?
सर क्वेश्चन नहीं था, लेक्चर शेयर करने के बारे में पूछ रहा था।
Yes,
लास्ट वाले लेक्चर में कहा था मैं शेयर करूंगा, नहीं
yes,
आया सर।
Asid, there was a problem when I upload the data. It is around, it's a very big file, so it's take too long data on the Google Drive. Even if I upload 2 3 lectures, then I cannot share it, right? So I will try
राइट
to
सर,
make on YouTube. I will upload on the YouTube channel. This is the only solution at the moment.
ठीक है सर, जैसे कर दे, लेकिन अगर उसको कंप्रेस कर लें तो बेहतर हो जाएगा सर।
Yeah, I do, but it's not when I'm sending the video, then it's not possible to send by email. That's what is the problem. Because I have not only one,
राइट सर, चल
I'm using the same account for all the subjects plus for the official purpose, so I don't have that much space again for everyday lectures.
राइट
So, any queries for today? For today lectures, anything which is not understandable?
सर। लास्ट टाइम एक बार दोबारा दोनों क्वालिटेटिव क्वांटिटेटिव की समरी बता देंगे,
Okay,
शुरू में मैं लेट हूँ।
okay. A quantitative one is a numeric data. You can select the randomly data to create the relation between the different variables. But the qualitative is based on image, or it is based on the structure, which you cannot randomly select the data. Clear? So whenever we are using the qualitative or quantitative research, we make sure from our problem statement that which direction we are going, and that from that problem statement you are extracting the questions which can make you, that either you want to go for qualitative or you want to go for quantitative. That is based on your opinion in which direction you like to go, right? That what we say in qualitative and quantitative research. We say that there is a 6 step that is required for to conducting the qualitative and quantitative research, right? So I will repeat once again step by step. First of all, we say that we need to identify the research problem in both research, and we have to get more clear, and we must be more closer to the topic as much as we can, then we can reach to the problem. To reach to the problem or to identify the problem, we must know how much we are clear about the topic. That much is easy, we should go for that problem, right? The second one, we discuss about reviewing our literature. So we already discussed this in the previous class, but still, for qualitative and a quantitative research, we need a literature review, the topic or the problem which you identify and you want to work on it. That what is the existing work or what are the existing problems that has been tackled on that problem by the other authors, right? That's what we normally do in the literature review, okay? Without a literature review, it is very hard to understand or to know the analysis of the others. Your work is very hard to understand it by other readers if they are not familiar with the problem or the existing work, right? Then the third one, we say, is specify the purpose for the research. That you should make clear that what is the purpose for doing research, either what is its impact on the work, or what is the effect or the cause that you are trying to identify, or you are trying to improve it, then what is the clear goal that you will be get at the end of the research. It should be very, very visible, right? That's what we see in the today. And after that, we discuss about the collecting the data, right? So we collect data. What are the procedures that we can use for collecting the data? That's what we have a look in the today lectures, that how we can use a different website from a different universities that we can collect the data. And then we have a look at about the evaluating and analysis, that how we can do the analysis. And after that, we have a look at the report, that how you can finally sum up with the report. And after that, we have discussed about the family tracking system project, right, which I already show you on the screen. You can see in the share screen, right? So first of all, this is our family tracking system, which can show you the relation between the different family members, that a person belong to which family, right? So if you look at the interface, it consists of a several parts. Like first of all, you have to upload the family data set, that is 101. So if you can Google, you can know the more information about that family. Then you can have a look. When first of all it upload the picture, right? Then it's the second step, it's detect the landmark, right? And then it's calculate the features. So here I want to tell you, like you asked me the problem, sir, how we can know in which direction we are going, right? So here you can get the numeric form of a different features of face, like left and right eyes, nose, mouth, left nose tip and right nose tip, right? That's what you can see several for the eyebrow and other features that calculated by this system, and it gives you data in the numeric form, right? So you can create the relation of using that numeric data to with the existing data set in that family in family data set, to make sure either what kind of the relation is are there, either they are cousins, they are brothers, or they are mother, or what other or family members they have the relation, right? So when you are using that numeric data, and if you are using the random variable, means like you are using the left and right eyes, and you are using the eyebrow area, right? That's what you are using for proving the relation, and you are doing the statistical analysis, that it means you are going for the quantitative analysis, right? But if you are using the classifier as SVM or CNN, you want to make sure to show the relation, it means that you are going for the qualitative research, right? That's what is the one of the practical example, that you can see that how a project you can take towards the qualitative and quantitative research, right? So when you are comparing the different variables, and you are like the different features of the face, and you are trying to find out the relation, you want to make sure that that is statistical data, or that is a quantitative research in which you are trying to take the random variables, and you want to make sure what are the relation between them, on the basis of which you are making comparison to make sure that what is the relation between different members, right? And you can also show that what person belong to which family, right? That's what we normally do in that project, right? So that is one of the project, is an example that you can we can have a look in the today lectures, right? So uh, I hope you people will be clear with the today lectures that we discuss about qualitative in a quantitative research. We discuss about the assignment. We discuss about the steps that required to do to complete a one quantitative research or qualitative research. Both are the similar, but the way of doing or the study or the measurement which is different, right? So what they we do in that quantitative and a qualitative research, right? So once again, the steps are very clear, like the previous one. You choose the total, you identify the problem, you make the questionnaires from the problem statement, then you are making the hypothesis, then you are going for qualitative or quantitative analysis, and then you are using a data set, that what kind of approach you are using for the data, and then you are evaluating the results, and at the end you are providing the reports. That what is the last job of this today lectures, or for the quantitative and quantitative research, right? Uh, thank you so much for the today lectures, and I will see you in the next week. But I will not extend the any more date for today lectures, for the assignments, and I hope see you in the next week. If there is any queries, you can write me an email, and for the CR, maybe you can tell to the inform in the class that you can use the SPSS or Origin Pro to do the quantitative analysis, on the basis of which they can define how much their hypothesis is true. And then once again, the quality of your assignment will be checked by using the Turnitin software, that how much you have your own work. So once again, I'll make me clear to you, your assignment will be checked by Turnitin software to check the originality of your idea, that how much it is authentic or how much it is done by you. This would be normally I will do for that assignment, because that is a research-based course in which copying any data is issue of plagiarism. So please try to understand and try to write by your own self that what actually you are working on it. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Stay with me and have a nice day. Yeah.
सर ये लास्ट में असाइनमेंट है ना, मिड टर्म की तो नहीं है ना ये पेपर सर?
Once again, for the midterm, administration will answer you, right? There will be the actual assignment, but that assignment is a grain assignment which consists of 10 marks, right?
सर जो अभी असाइनमेंट है ये सिंपल असाइनमेंट है,
But it have the most highest weightage for your course.
राइट सर? कितनी होगी तक?
So Umar, what is your question?
सर लेक्चर काइंडली यूट्यूब पे जल्दी अपलोड.
Yes, I'm doing right now, because I cannot send you by email to everyone, right? So hopefully soon I will, after the half an hour, you can check on the YouTube channel, right?
ओके सर,
Okay,
यूट्यूब चैनल का
anything
लिंक
else?
क्लास में.
Okay, thank you. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.
अल्लाह